Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi, everybody. Alongside Ray Ferraro, my name is James Zabalski. Welcome to EA Sports. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Here's a short pass to Malkin. They've got the defense outnumbered. On a great defensive play there. And that one's turned away. Gergensen wins the faceoff. Carries it across the line. Here's a shot. Here's a chance to set up now. Along the half wall with the puck. Gets the puck over to Panarin. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Centering pass. And that's picked off in front. Quick pass to Panarin. Here's an odd man rush with the stop. Poked away by the goaltender. Too much congestion blocks the shot. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Moves it around along the half wall. Rocks him on the play. Here's a chance. And now it's grabbed by Kulikov. Moves it to Panarin. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Into the corner now. Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. On the attack along the boards. Quick feed down low. With authority. Looking to make something happen along the boards. With possession along the wall. Picked up along the boards by Radulov. Moves it quickly over to Orlov. Orlov's got it along the wing. Hammers the shot. Long jam in front. That's broken up. Takes it across the blue line. Rush is looking to break out of their own end. Quick feed to Kuznetsov. Reads it perfectly. Look out. Here's a chance. Team Rush has got the puck along the wall. And now it's over to Nemestikov. Nemestikov slowed down with the hook, and the official's arm is in the air. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Power play unit comes out for the face-off.
Hey, here's a power play and the game is scoreless. What a nice opportunity for them to kick the other team in the shins a little bit, get the lead, and play from in front.
And manages to clear the zone. Rush has got it from behind the net. Up along the wing. Slides the puck over. Tarasenko's got it behind the net. Here's a short pass to Kucherov. Oh, what a stop! Nice play shorthanded as they get control of the puck. Gets it out of his own end. Team Rush has gained possession along the boards. Over the line they come. Right out in front. Comes up with the stop. Moves right to the middle.
Doesn't look like much, but the defensemen are helped out by this puck being in the corner.
And manages to clear the zone. Rush has got a hold of it against the wall. And it's a quick pass to Tarasenko. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. And that banks off a stick. Clearing attempt. And he gets the job done. Big thumbs up clearing that one. Team Rush has got the puck along the boards. Both teams back to even strength as the power play comes up empty-handed, and we are still tied.
Well, the only thing that happened on that power play was the clock rolled along. Very few chances, not much danger.
Slides the puck down low. Knocked away. Moves the puck along the half wall. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Sergachev swooping in on the attack. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender.
Well, you're not going to get much better scoring chance than that one, but the goaltender makes an excellent stick save.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Takes the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Quick pass to Kovalchuk. Kovalchuk's got it into offensive territory. From the slot, wide of the net.
No, he's got to get that on target. That's a scoring chance, and he doesn't even make the goaltender make a save.
Along the half wall with the puck. Handles the puck at the point. Look out.
Yeah, that you didn't say that quick enough. He got flattened as he was trying to go down the boards.
Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line.
Russia's been really aggressive on the road here. They've got on the body early. They've carried the play. The game just needs a goal.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Takes it and looks ahead. Moves it around along the half wall. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. Sidorov's going off for hooking.
This is why coaches are always on you, to keep your feet moving. As soon as you stop, now you have to reach out and try and slow your opponent down.
Our first look tonight at their power play unit.
It's their first power play of the game. What a great chance to break this scoreless tie. Start with a face-off win. Get the puck to the point and start moving it around before you attack the net. Have a clear plan.
54 seconds.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Scores! Power play goal!
Critical for them to get on the board with the extra man. They move the puck well and they're able to capitalize. Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there and he puts it away.
Team Latvia's hard work in this opening period pays off.
Right when the anthem finished, these guys were on it. They've done a really terrific job and are well rewarded for that first goal.
Power play by number 14,
Kuznetsov's got it against the boards and tries to make a diagonal pass to Provorov. And that shot dies in traffic.
11 seconds.
Lets it go. Glove save. Quick reflexes. Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. We got a 1-0 game to this point. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And he slides it quickly to Orlov. Orlov's got it in the offensive zone. Moves it to Kuznetsov. And that slides right out to center ice. Slides the puck to Orlov. Ovechkin's got it on the offensive end. Denies him on the play.
I like the way that he stops his puck, James. Not only does he get in front of it, but he puts it out of harm's way.
Right in the slot. Lays into the body on the play. Slides it back to the blue line. And he slides it quickly to Bushnevich. Shuts him down. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play.
Team Russia's trying to wear them down. They've been on the body since the first drop of the puck. Maybe it'll pay dividends later, but they're trailing in the game.
Team Russia's got the lead in shots. Nevertheless, they still trail here in the first. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Here they come on the attack. Russia's got the puck along the wall. Manages to hang on. He clearly doesn't like that.
Yeah, after the teammate got hurt, he jumped right in. He's going to make him try and pay a price.
We got ourselves a fight here. Nice effective use of the wrestling move.
Yeah, you don't see that all the time, but this fight had punched itself out. Well, that'll do it as they ride them off to the penalty box, each to their own bench to sit for 5 minutes. I hope he can get a drink of water. Last time in there, the bottle was empty, which really must stink because you're tired and thirsty, and now you get a bowl of dust.
You don't miss a thing, do you?
No, but I never was in there. Well, yeah, I was in there, and I hated when the bottle was empty.
As we're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. That's just trying to shake loose. He's clear. What a stop on the breakaway. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Yepilov setting up against the wall. Right in front, and that one's broken up. Team Latvia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Carries it in. Here's a chance. Snaps one from the slot. Gobbles that puck up with his chest. Team Russia's had the scoring opportunities, but they still find themselves behind in the first. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. From one end of the blue line to the other. Takes the pass in the corner. Tripped up on the play, delayed penalty coming up. Here's the official call. Just an old school tripping call here on this one, Ray.
Sometimes I think you just get burned here, a little bit of a bad break. You're fishing around for the puck and your stick gets into the other guy's feet.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
Well, you can tell these guys must be bubbling with confidence here, James, because they've already scored on the power play tonight, and so they get another chance. They must feel good they have the formula tonight.
Gets it out of his own end. Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed at the back end. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. A chance in front. Stick save.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Grabs control of it at the point. Takes that pass back at the point. Nice pass.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can...
He scores!
Add that power play goal to the earlier one. They've really done well with the extra man here. Enough time to pick his spot, and he went 5-hole, beat the goaltender pretty cleanly.
Team Latvia's got some breathing room now with 2/3 of this opening frame played through. They lead by 2.
You can use all of your bench now. You've got a couple of goal lead, but don't back off. Still stay aggressive.
On the attack along the boards. Can't maintain possession. Lays into the body. Russia's got the puck in their own end. Panarin's going to play it against the half wall. Now a quick pass to Provorov. Centering pass! Can't get it to go. Takes the feed. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Here they are on the attack. Sends it across. Puck knocked loose after that hit. Centered out in front. Stopped by the blocker. Radulov's got it across the line. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And he's taken down the official's arm, signaling for a penalty. And here comes the judgment from the official. Officials calling tripping here on this one.
This was the penalty I think when I took, I was most angry at myself because you're not trying to do it. And then all of a sudden you see the guy go down and you're just like, oh man, here I go.
There's the result. Another scoring opportunity looms here.
They've been successful on the power play already, James. So now you get another opportunity. Do not relax. Go pile it on and get another one.
Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot. Beautiful stop by the goalie. And that one's broken up. Tarasenko's carrying it ahead. Rips it. Oh, and a good opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off, so he'll be a little frustrated as he heads back up ice.
Bukarts has the puck against the half wall. Great read to break up the play.
Time to force it, time to be safe. When you got the lead, it's a time to be safe.
Handles it along the blue line. Takes it across the blue line. Steps into it. Big time glove save.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Here in the late going to the frame. 2-0 is where we sit. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Puts it on net. Comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Team Latvia's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And the PK unit gets their man out of the box. And the officials are calling a delayed penalty here. Looks like a trip. Here comes the call. Provorov's getting called for tripping. Played with fire. He got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down, and he's got to go to the box.
Power play unit going back to work.
Well, the power play's been confident, hasn't it? Move the puck, shoot the puck, and they've scored several times here as they get another chance.
Puts the puck on net with the stop.
18 minutes, 3 seconds.
Latvia's got the lead here late in this first period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Here inside the defensive zone, they get the puck. Here's a shot and makes the save. Through center along the wing. Taken by Buchnevich. Puck grabbed by Buchnevich. Brings the puck into the offensive end now.
Last minute of
Buchnevich has got the puck.
period.
And now he moves it quickly to Kulikov. And a great save. Team Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves it quickly over to Tarasenko. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Russia's got control of the puck. And it's a quick pass to Buchnevich. Pass back to the point. And he slides it quickly to Kulikov. 8 seconds left on the clock. Grabbed along the boards by Tarasenko. And that's picked off in front. The first period comes to a conclusion. 2-0 after 20 minutes of play as both teams make their way to the room.
Hey kids, don't forget if you're a member of our rookie team, you'll have the opportunity to have a couple of our players sign autographs after the game.
As both teams get a breather, so will we. We'll take a quick pause for the cause. clean sheet of ice. Period 2 is set to go. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. 1 period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Varlamov's really focused and tunneled in on the puck tonight. That first period was about as good as a goalie can play.
And he's heading to the box for 2 for tripping on this one.
This is such a bad penalty to take because you put yourself in a bad spot. A player falls down. Now you're cooked. You go to the box.
Well, he's got 2 minutes to think about it now. Face off and another opportunity to take a look at the man advantage unit here.
Well, they get another chance here. They've earned the power play. They haven't got anything on their power plays yet. Haven't had a lot of them, but here's a nice chance for them.
Along the wing up the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Slides it diagonally to Radulov. From the opposite point. Shot! Trapper save! Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. 2-0 is the score. Off the try, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Oh, what a save with the glove! Offense's zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Quick feed to Kuznetsov. Too much traffic in the lane. And manages to clear the zone. From their own end, trying to kickstart this power play. With possession along the wall. Moves the puck down low. Taken along the wall by Kulikov. Takes the feed at the point. Here's a short pass to Kucherov. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Swing and a miss. Team Latvia's got a chance to work the transition game now shorthanded. Gets it out of his own end. And a great job by the shorthanded unit those last few moments as the penalty expires.
Always frustrating for the power play when they go back to the bench and don't have anything to show for it.
Again, the denial by the goaltender. Takes it across the blue line. Here's a chance right out in front. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Oh, what a save with the glove. Malkin's won the draw. Stopped by the goaltender. Puck scooped up by Panarin. Quick pass to Malkin with authority. Kennens moves it into the attacking end. Drills them. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break up the pass.
Russia's coaches had talked about stick positioning to us before the game. There's a great example. They've done it all night.
And now he moves it to Radulov. And the puck leaves the zone going back to center ice. Passes on over to Malkin. Here's the chance. Makes the save with the trapper.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of them.
Team Russia's looking to convert on some of these chances. They've had plenty of opportunities, but have been snake-bitten thus far. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Over the line they come. They've got numbers. Quick pass over to Ovechkin. And now he angles it across to Kuznetsov. Ovechkin's got it along the wing. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Puts it wide.
Maybe trying to be a little too fine as he shoots it wide of the net.
Now he takes it over the line. Into the corner. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Gets in front of it. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Pushes it across to Nemestikov. Moves it to Kuznetsov. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Right side set up ahead into the middle of the ice. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. Shot, and he makes the save. Moves it up. They've got the defense outnumbered. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Takes a wrist shot. Oh, wide of the net.
You don't get the puck dead center very often. He's got to capitalize.
You wonder if that'll come back to haunt them. Back to the blue line. Oh, what a glove save! More than half the period left to play, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And that one's broken up. Picked up along the wall by Kovalchuk. Move to the middle. Here he is with the backhander. Gives them nothing in front.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Slides the puck over. Latvia's got the puck along the wall. And some fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. Snaps it on net. Couldn't light the lamp on that. What a chance.
Sometimes the puck...
He's got a step. Huge save on the breakaway.
Really good patience in net by the goaltender. He outweighted the shooter and then made the stop.
Russia's looked good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Sends a pass over. Puck picked up by Orlov. Throws it in. Team Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Handles the puck. Unloads from the blue line. Nice stick save by the goaltender who got a piece of that one to swat it away with the twig. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Carries it in. Moves it quickly over to Provorov. And now he tries to get it across to Kulikov. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Malkin's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
Team Russia's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Beautiful glove stop on that one. With the bank pass. Oh, that's a good hit. Moves it over to Malkin. Quick feed to Kulikov. Off target.
Most dangerous place on the ice, and he can't capitalize.
Finds some space in the corner. And the puck's knocked loose. Here's a short pass to Panarin. Too many bodies in the way. Latvia's looking to break out. Carries it across the line. Great chance in front. He scores! My goodness, what a goal as he goes coast to coast.
If you ever wondered what a confident player looks like, this is it. Look at him work his way through the entire team, confidently gets to the front of the net and puts it away.
Team Latvia's brought it tonight. They absolutely have dominated here, especially with the goal scoring.
They've been faster, they've played with more skill, and they are filling the net. What a fun night to play in.
Quick pass to Orlov. And he slides it quickly to Ovechkin. Now a quick pass to Kuznetsov. And he says no! Big time play right there. Moves it around along the half wall. Centering pass. Big time stop. Gets a blocker on it. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the pass. Knocked away. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. Jostles the puck loose. Takes the feed. Forces the turnover in the neutral zone. Kovalchuk's got it against the boards. Moves it to Orlov. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Moves the puck. Moves it quickly over to Zaitsev. Fires one. Gets a piece of it with the blocker. Plays the puck up ahead. On the attack along the boards. A chance on goal. Denied by the goaltender. And now he moves it quickly to Ovechkin. Ovechkin's got it in the offensive zone. Quick feed to Ovechkin. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Handles the pass at center. Team Russia's looking to break out of their own end. Here he comes, in on the breakaway. Centering pass. What a stop by the goaltender.
He's right in position as he follows the shooter and snuffs that chance away.
Russia's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Latvia's got a hold of the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Nothing doing.
Just misses the net, but really the scoring chance is not dangerous if you can't get the puck at the goaltender.
Here's a short pass to Bushnevich. Nice pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And now it's grabbed by Bushnevich. With possession along the wall. And it's a quick pass to Provorov. Passes over to Kucherov. Quick pass to Bushnevich. Kulikov's dragging it along the line. Here's a pass down low. Trying a physical line here. Team Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Yepilovs has it along the boards. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. And that's taken by the defense.
That's a bad turnover, James. You can't really turn it over while you're ahead in that spot.
Here's a shot, and that one's stopped. Over the line they come. Puts it on net. Stopped by the goaltender.
No loose change around the front. I like the way he directs this into the corner.
Moves the puck along the half wall. And the puck leaves the zone. Latvia's got the puck now. Stopped by the goaltender.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Getting into the later stages of this period, and the ice has been tilted to this point. 3-0 is where we sit right now. Looks to set up at the point now. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Panarin's going to play it against the half wall. Here they come on the attack. Strong defensive effort. Moves it on over to Panarin. And he slides it quickly to Sergachev. Here's an odd man rush. Slides it across. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. Into the offensive zone. Bukarts plays the puck. Centered out in front. And they can't connect. Team Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Team Russia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Along the half wall with the puck. There's a shot, and there's the save. Russia's had a lot of good looks offensively, but they have run into one hot goaltender, which is why they trail late in this second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. From the point, they take control of it. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And he comes up with it.
That's a good save there, James. It looks rather...
He scores!
I afraid we're going to run out of time here, James. This is a terrific time to strike here. Now you carry over the intermission. You come out for the next period feeling really good about yourself. Well, that's a quick one-timer right in front of the net. The pass is there. He's got no time to do anything with it, and he beats the goalie.
Team Russia's got something to build on here as we approach the third period, Ray.
Give them a little chance as they trail in this game, but man, they've got to be a lot better.
Goal scored by number 42.
Moves it around along the half wall.
By number 71.
Hammers the shot wide. Lets it fly, and he stands tall in goal. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. One more period still to come, and it's a 3-1 game is where we're sitting right now.
Don't forget to check out our top 10 moments in hockey history.
Third period is just around the corner, so don't even think about putting that controller down. And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. On the attack along the boards. Shuts it down. Puck moved over to Radulov. Moves it to Provorov. Provorov's got the puck. Latvia's got the puck in their own end. Up the neutral zone now. Nice feed at center, moves up ahead now. Takes the feed. Takes a wrist shot. Great glove save.
Oh, he snaps the glove save off there. Excellent chance in the slot.
Lots of time left in this period. It's a 2-goal lead we're looking at with the score 3-1. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Team Latvia's got the puck. Russia's got the puck along the wall. Comes up with the steal. Into the corner of the attacking area. Back to the point it goes. Centering pass. Move to the middle. A chance right in front. Stones him in front. Quick pass across to Radulov. Latvia's got it in the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Team Latvia's got possession here in the offensive zone. Puck picked up in the open ice. Up along the wing. Receives the pass. Sends it down low. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck.
Team Russia's done a great job without the puck. Nice pick off there. This game's close because of it.
That was a great shot, but an even better save. Team Russia's been the better team, but not necessarily boasting the better goaltender, trailing early in the third. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Quick feed to Sergachev. Heads to the back of the net. Move to the middle. Look out. Uses the force on that hit.
Kovalchuk's not so sure about the weight class here. He says no thanks.
There's the whistle stopping the play and get a better sense of what happened down there.
Anisimov still trying to shake off the effects of this hit. He really took a thump there.
Russia's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they cannot convert, trailing early in the third. Buchnevich has won the draw. Back at the point, they set it up. Takes a shot, makes the save. James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. It's a 3-1 hockey game. Lots of offense already. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Uses the boards with the bank pass. He scores! What a goal!
This is the default move for the goaltender here. It's like every shot he drops into the butterfly. He gets beaten clean here.
Latvia's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
Grabs the puck here in the neutral zone. Here's a chance to his teammate. Great heads-up play, trying to shake the defender. All alone. What a save on the play. And now it's over to Sergachev. Quick shot, makes the save. Team Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Here's a chance right in the slot. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from?
Yeah, it's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away. We'll get a look at that crushing hit again. Right along the board, he finishes right through the player.
Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. Latvia's been showing relentless pressure lately, now up by 3. Nemestikov swooping in on the attack. And that shot gets caught in traffic. Team Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. Sends the pass over. Stopped by the goaltender. Tries to feed it over to Ovechkin. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Handles the puck at the point. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Move to the middle. Hammers it just wide.
He misses again. He's had so many chances. He's got nothing to show for it.
What a great read breaking up the pass. Nemestikov's got it along the wing. And they can't finish that one. Well, that'll get a response. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. Ray, I don't understand this here, the big hit and the response now.
I'm not sure where it started or how long ago it did, but it's almost every time. Big hit leads to a challenge.
Oh, and he hammers him and sends him down to the ice.
That's a clear decision there. Always amazed at how much a fight takes out of a player for the rest of the day. As they get escorted to the penalty box, they've got to try and regroup so they can play again.
Even the officials look exhausted trying to get control of this one. The power play unit goes right back to work.
No matter how hard you practice the power play, sometimes it just doesn't transfer into the game, James. However, tonight, they look like they're reading from the same book. Everything looks right in sync.
Radulov's got it against the boards. Sergachev's got it in the offensive zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Latvia's got control of it now from their own end. Slides the puck over. Here's the pass. Slides it back to the blue line. Here he is, shot right in front. Redirected out front. Blocker save. Team Russia's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Puts it out front. Right in front. Off the glove, and the puck skips away.
He's sharp on this one. Out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
With possession along the wall. Well, the officials have tried to keep things in line, and yet another penalty called here. This is a good old-fashioned hooking the call here.
He looked like he was water skiing. Man, you got to move your feet. You get your stick around his waist, you'll get called.
Puck set to drop. We've got some 4-on-4 coming up.
Even a little different, even if there's just one player missing on each team. Defensive responsibilities are different. There's different attack angles. Got to communicate here on the 4-on-4.
Kennens looks around. Russia's got the puck along the boards. And as he steps back out onto the ice, they'll go to work with the man advantage here. Moves the puck along the half wall. Misses a golden opportunity there.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net.
Comes up with the stop.
Panarin's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over. Russia's going to have to make an adjustment here. Their injured player will not be back tonight.
Team Russia's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. And makes the save. Here's a chance to clear the puck from his own end. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, it's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
And a nice poke check inside the neutral zone. Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Oh, and he can fake his stick for that one. And manages to clear the zone. Team Russia's looking to break out of their own end. Kulikov's got the puck along the wing. Sends it over. A strong penalty-killing performance on that one as both teams are now back to even strength.
Well, they'll have to regroup after that. The power play doesn't cash in. Opportunity lost for them.
More than half the frame has been played here. A lot of offense in this one, mostly from one side. We've got 4-1 to score. Moves it quickly over to Provorov. And that one's turned away. Russia's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Great poke check on the reach. Team Latvia's got it in their own zone and sends it just out of reach. Latvia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. Team Russia's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Russia's got the puck in their own end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Scores! Now it's a 2-goal game.
Well, now they've got something to build on here. They feel now, I'm sure, like they're in the game, because when you're down 3, it seems forever away. He swept this one up over the goalie's glove. The room wasn't there until the goalie dropped into the butterfly, maybe a little early. Opened up some space up top.
Team Russia's still got to find 2 more goals, but they at least have one back.
That gives them a little bit of hope, and the bench seems to have come alive a little bit.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped.
Scored by number 71, Ilya Kovalchuk.
Still keeps a hold of it. He's all alone with the goaltender. Denies him.
Oh, excellent stop by the goaltender. He read that perfectly.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. Russia's still down by 2 goals in this one. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. That's a solid check on the play. Quick feed to Bushnevich. Here they are on the attack. Sends it across. Here's a chance in front. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Glides along the blue line. Right in the slot. Big time stop with the glove.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Team Russia's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Big time stop there. Through center along the wing. Russia's got the puck along the wall. Here's a short pass to Nemestikov. Tarasenko's got it into offensive territory. Great glove save! Team Russia's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. Kuznetsov's won the draw with the stop. Puck battle along the boards. And the puck's kicked free. Kennens moves the puck. Good check, frees the puck up. Carries it in. And he gets the puck right back. Comes up with the stop. Quick pass to Nemestikov. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the feed at the back end. He scores!
2 goals on the night for him. They've really been effective forechecking, a couple of breaks, and now he's got 2. Goalie gets a little bit of this, almost beat cleanly, but it's not going to matter. It's in the net anyway.
Team Latvia is all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
By number 91.
Gives it right back.
By number 29 and by number 20.
Moves it around along the half wall. A chance to get it out of the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. They've got numbers. Denies him with the save. And he slides it quickly to Nemestikov. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. On the attack along the boards. Hammers a shot. Misses wide of the net.
Now, tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Picked up along the boards by Sergachev. Inside the defensive zone, moving the puck. Wrists one. Denies him. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Here's a shot. That's blocked. Latvia's got the puck in the defensive end. Bukarts takes it across the line. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that's picked off in front. Sends a pass over. Lets it fly. Denied by the goaltender. Quick feed down low. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Orlov. He might have a step here. He's in all alone. Oh, what a save! Russia's offensive struggles have been the story tonight. Lots of chances, just not a lot of results. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away.
Oh, James, that's close. I thought this was in. I thought the forward was going to be able to get to the post first, but he's not. That's a really strong save.
No room right there. Team Russia's had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie. They trail late in this third period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. Malkin's got it on the offensive end. Moves it to Kulikov. Team Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Carries the puck up through center. From the right side, he goes to the middle of the neutral zone. Hammers the shot, and that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Now a quick pass to Tarasenko. Takes a shot with the stop. Russia's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Yepilov's look. Here he comes in on a breakaway. Scores!
Pretty deceptive move here. Short little breakaway. He makes no mistake. That's a good feeling for the shooter. He gets out in the clear on the breakaway, and he doesn't miss. Excellent snapshot past the goalie.
And it looks like the hockey equivalent of going to the bullpen's happening here as they're going to change goaltenders.
You ever wonder in a blowout why the goalie leaving skates way faster than the guy coming in?
Latvia's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Approaching the final minute of regulation. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Here in the late going of the frame, Team Latvia is now up by 4. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Nice poke check. And he loses control of the puck. Takes the feed. Snaps it on net. Wide.
You can go games without a chance from here.
And now he moves it to Bushnevich. Here's a chance behind the net. Feeds it down low. And now he angles it across to Bushnevich. Along the wing up the neutral zone. With possession along the wall. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end.
Safe play is always a good play when you're leading the game.
Latvia's got the puck. And we are all over with this one tonight. In one word to describe this one tonight, Ray, clinical.
I love the way they played. They skated well, they forechecked well, and when they earned their power plays, even with a comfortable lead, they capitalized. Their execution was outstanding.
And that's all she wrote on this one for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski. We'll see you next time here on EA Sports.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.